Something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia! What's better than a delicious piece of fruit? You're right, Debo. Vegetables are yummy too. I wonder, what's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Super suggestion! We'll go into that garden to figure it out. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Okie dokie, artichoke. Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. All right, we're in a community garden where all kinds of fruits and vegetables grow. And look, there's one right now.
Step right up. You're the next contestants on Slim Cucumber's certified fresh game show.
Fruit or vegetable?
Tell us your names.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Now, Blippi and Debo, a quick review before we start. All fruits have a pit or seeds in them and grow on a plant with flowers.
Fruits have pits or seeds, and always flowers. Got it.
And vegetables are different. There are root and leaves.
Got that too.
Excellent. Let's play. Tell me, Blippi, is this carrot a fruit or...
Ooh, the carrot is a vegetable because it's a root and has leaves.
That's right! But can Blippi go 2 for 2? So tell me, is this tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
This is tough. Okay, a tomato grows from a plant, but it has seeds. It's also a vegetable?
Oh, sorry. Tomato is a fruit. Now, your final question, Blippi. Can you tell me if this strawberry is a fruit or vegetable?
Strawberry is a fruit.
Yes, strawberry is a fruit, and you gave 2 correct answers, which means this trophy is all yours!
Wow, thanks, Mr. Slim. And I also have the answer to my question. What's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Vegetables are roots and leaves, and fruits have flowers and a pit or seeds. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Mr. Slim.
Congrats to you, Blippi. That's our game. I'm Slim the Cucumber, and by the way, I'm a fruit. Tune in next time for our special guest, Madam Mango, on Fruit or Vegetable.
Yum! These turkey sandwiches are going to be delicious. Oh, what a mess! Hey, look at that fly walk on the ceiling. I wonder, how do flies walk on the ceiling? I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Hey, Devo! I think I know that fly. It's Horace. Hi, Blippi! How's it going, pal? How did you get on the ceiling?
No, it's easy. Watch this. Ta-da!
Wow!
Yes, sirree. The ceiling is my own personal dance floor. Skip-it-bit-dip-dip-dip-dip. Now you try.
Here goes. Whoa! Why can't the Blippi Mobile stand on the ceiling too? What's the trick?
Here's the trick. You've got to stick.
Stick?
You see, my feet make a super sticky glue that helps me stick to the ceiling. Here, try some.
Don't mind if I do. Here goes. Whoa! Oh, now I stick to the ceiling too.
Look at all that mess. Oh,
The glue has us stuck in place.
that's because you're not doing the fly leg twist.
The fly leg twist?
That's right. Fly glue is so strong that we have to push ourselves off the ceiling to walk. Like this.
Like this?
You got it. Now let's hit it. Do the fly leg twist. Do the fly leg twist. Get your feet unstuck when you go like this.
We did it! And I have the answer to my question. How do flies walk on the ceiling? Fly legs have a special sticky glue that keeps them stuck to the ceiling. Upload answer, Debo.
Well, I'm off to eat a little bit of dinner now. See you later, Blippi.
Bye-bye! I love being at the beach. Whoa! A flying fish! I wonder, what's underneath the ocean? Good idea, Tabs. We can go into the ocean and find out. I'll need duck feet and a propeller.
Duck feet, propeller, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! It's a whole other world down here. Is this like some kind of underwater forest?
Exactly! It is a forest! Welcome to my neighborhood! My name's Jerry the jellyfish!
Hey, It's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're down here to see what's in the ocean.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot. The ocean's full of surprises. I'll show you. I'm going to meet my friends. Well, I'll give you a tour along the way.
All right. Thanks, Jerry.
First stop, our kelp forest. This kelp can grow up to 150 feet.
Wow, that's so tall.
Oh yeah, but sometimes the water current around here blows the kelp around.
Kelp! Kelp!
Oh no, this never happens.
Great idea, Tabs. Let's use the turbo boosters.
Oh good, glad you're okay. Let's move on.
Whoa! That fish is blue and has a long nose.
She's a blue marlin. She uses her nose to find and catch food. She's also really fast.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh no, this never happens.
Yeah, Tabs, it is dark in here. Wherever we are. Jerry! Jerry?
Blippi, is that you in there? Oh no, hold on.
Whoa!
I scared a gray whale? And she blew you right out of her blowhole? That never happens.
Thanks for getting us out of there, Jerry. Oh, you're all lit up.
I told you the ocean was full of surprises, didn't I?
Hey, look, it's your friends.
Hiya, pals. You guys found me.
And I found the answer to my question. What's underneath the ocean? There's a kelp forest, blue marlins, huge whales, and a jellyfish that lights up. Upload answer tabs.
And we're only on chapter 1. In chapter 2, there's an octopus and a shark and a sea turtle and a tuna.
Bye, Jerry.
Oh, and there's an otter and a seahorse and a lobster and a stingray.
Oh, look, a bird flying at night. Huh, it's a bat. I wonder, how do bats fly in the dark? Good idea, Debo. Let's take flight in the night. I'm going to need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Whoa! Whose lights are those?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I put my bright headlights on to find you.
Oh, hey, Blippi. I'm Matt the Bat. I was just heading out to fly my favourite flying course. You want to join me?
Sure. I was wondering how bats fly in the dark.
I can show you. But one thing, Blippi. No headlights.
Got it.
Let's go.
Whoa! It's so dark.
Twigs! Branch! Look out!
Whoa!
Blippi, didn't you hear that tree?
No, I didn't. Wait, did you say hear the tree?
Yeah! I can hear everything in my way. Heads up! Rocks!
Whoa! How do you do that?
Bats have a special skill called echolocation. I make sounds and they bounce off objects and echo, so I can tell where the objects are and how far away I am from them.
Really, Debo? You have echolocation too? Because you're a robot dog? Well, let's use it.
Whoa! Let's fly!
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Yeah, whee! Nice flying, guys.
Thanks! And I have the answer to my question. How do bats fly in the dark? Echolocation! Bats make high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects and echo, so they can safely hear where they're at in the dark. Upload answer, Debo.
Oh, look, it's bedtime. Fun flying with you, Blippi and Debo.
You sleep upside down? Whoa! Bats are amazing! Bye, Matt the Bat! Wow! That's a pretty tall mountain. I'm sure there are way taller mountains, Tabs. I wonder, what's the tallest mountain in the world? Great idea, Tabs. We'll go to the Himalayas and find out. I'm gonna need wings and the grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find the tallest mountain in the world. Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're looking for the tallest mountain.
I'm climbing it right now. Hi, I'm Betty the Yeti. I was just headed to the top. That's where the best snow is. Nothing worse than old snow.
Can I tag along? I want to see what it's like on top of the tallest mountain.
Of course, but get ready. This mountain is super tall. Woo! Ice!
We're up so high, and it's much colder up here. Thanks, Tabs. I love hot cocoa. Whoa! Woo! Gotcha. Phew. That was a close one. Hey, it's the mountaintop. Yeah, we made it. Oh, whoa, it's so windy up here.
I got you, Blippi.
So, what is the name of this mountain?
It's Tamalangma! Oh, you call it Mount Everest.
You're right, Tabs. I have the answer to my question. What's the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. It's 29,035 feet tall. Upload answer, Tabs.
And the snow up here is delicious. Snow burps.
Have a good snow snack. Bye, Betty the Yeti.
Bye, Blippi.
Whoa, look at those ducks floating in that pond. Exactly, Debo. There's got to be a reason why ducks don't sink. I wonder, how do ducks float? Good idea. Let's go ask that one. I'm gonna need duck feet and wings.
Duck feet, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Here, ducky ducky. Here, little ducky. Whoa! Big ducky. Hang on, Debo. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Well, hello there, Blippi and Debo. I'm Declan. Welcome to the pond. You here for a swim?
Well, we're actually here because we really want to know how you float.
I never really thought about it. Oh, us ducks do paddle with our feet a lot. Want to take a look?
Good idea. I'll check them out. We can't get close enough. You're right. We have our binoculars. Whoa!
What do you think?
You sure have webbed feet. Debo is right. You stopped paddling and you're still floating.
Must not be my feet that make me float. Oh, I have an idea. Floating may have something to do with our feathers. Yo, Terry, let Blippi have a look under your feathers.
It's a feather tunnel in here. And the feathers are kind of oily.
See again, we make a special oil that keeps our feathers waterproof.
Waterproof feathers! Whoa! Is that a bubble?
Bubbles? What do they do?
It's air! Air bubbles are floating in the feathers like a balloon.
Oh, so the bubbles help us ducks float. Hey, Terry, we have air bubbles floating in our feathers.
It's true! And now I have the answer to my question. How do ducks float? Duck feathers trap air bubbles and air floats in water. So, ducks float. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for everything, Declan. Bye-bye! Keep floating.
Bye, Blippi.
It's so hot out today, but my popsicle is melting down my hand. I wonder, why do popsicles melt down my hand? What's that, Tabs? Go into that ice cream truck and ask an expert? That's a great idea. I'm gonna need wings, the excavator arm, and duck feet.
Wings, excavator arm, duck feet. Confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why my popsicle always melts down my hand. Shrinking down! Woohoo! I'm in the ice cream truck.
Hi, welcome to my neighborhood. I'm Sherry Pop. Glad you popped in.
Hi, Sherry. It's me, Blippi. I was wondering why my popsicle always melts down my hand.
Oh, I know that one. But first, let's have some frozen fun.
All right. Woohoo! We're ice cream boarding.
We're sprinkle sliding.
I'm chocolate fudge snorkeling. Sherry, are you melting?
Yes, I'm melting because I'm very warm. But I'll go cool off in the freezer and I'll be fine in a sec. Ice cold.
How's it going in there, Sherry?
It's freezy breezy. Now I'm all set.
Whoa, it looks super freezing in there.
Yup, it's cool to be cold when you're a frozen dessert like me. My ideal temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. If I keep cool like that, then I won't melt.
Good to know. I see you're like my popsicle from earlier. When it was out of the freezer and in the heat of the Blippi Mobile, it melted on me.
Sounds like your popsicle should have come for a visit.
You're right, which means we have the answer to my question. Why my popsicle melts down in my hand. It's because popsicles will melt if they get too warm. That's why we keep them in the freezer. Upload answer, Tabs. Sherry, thank you for a totally tasty adventure. It was so cool.
Stay cool, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Hey, it's a garbage truck. I can see it and smell it too. Wow, Tabs, even you think it's stinky. And you're a robot. Wait, where's that buzzing sound coming from? Oh, flies! Hey, those flies just flew into the garbage truck. I wonder, why do flies love garbage? Good idea, Tabs. We can go into the garbage truck to find out the answer. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why flies love garbage. Shrinking down! Hold your breath, Tabs. We're going in. I'm in the garbage truck.
Welcome! I'm Horace the Fly. Looks like your first time here.
Hi, Horace. It's me, Blippi. This is my first visit to a garbage truck. Little stinky, huh?
Not for me. I love smells. Follow me. I'll show you around. This place is like my playground. Whoopsies. Sorry about that.
Hey, Horace. Why do flies love garbage?
Because it's delicious and garbage makes me fly. We've got stinky beans, moldy cheese, greasy pizza boxes, and even leftover mystery mush. Oops, sorry, must have been the beans.
I could give you a ride to the nearest garden or fly restaurant. Horace! Where are you?
Everything's coming up! Garbage! Oh, was that cake? Oh, no, that was not cake. Still good, though. Gotta dash and eat all the trash.
Horace has more energy now. Aha! Which means I think I have the answer to why flies like garbage. It's because they love the smell and they find food there. That's so silly. Upload answer tabs.
Yes, sir, Blippi. For me, a garbage truck is a 24/7 all-I-can-eat restaurant.
Woohoo! Go, Horace! Thanks!
Cheers, Blippi!
Salad! Oh, thanks, Tabs. Didn't know this lettuce was stuck in my teeth. I guess a toothbrush would help. I wonder, how do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? Great idea! We can go meet a toothbrush in a mouth. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. It's time to shrink down and go into a mouth. Shrinking down! We're inside a mouth. You're right, Tabs. We need a way to clean these teeth.
Would a brush help? Hi, I'm Bill Brushy. And you are?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. I want to find out how to use a toothbrush to clean teeth.
Well, you're asking the right brush. Hop on, and I'll show you the best way to clean your teeth.
All right. Hey, Bill Brushy, is that toothpaste on your brush part?
Yes, sir. It helps keep teeth healthy and food-free. Okay, now here's how to brush your teeth. Let's go to the front first. So, small circles on every tooth.
Whoa!
Okay, that's the front done. Let's go to the back now.
We turned, we flipped.
Little circles round and round.
All right, let's make some more. Circles, circles, circles.
These teeth are the molars. I call them the chew crew, since they do most of the work.
I know, Tabs. Toothbrushing is a wild ride. Wow! I think I have the answer to my question. How do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? It cleans by brushing the front, back, and in between of all teeth in little circle motions. And that pushes all the food out from between the teeth and makes them nice and clean. Upload answer tabs.
Thanks for your help, Blippi and Tabs. Remember to brush twice a day for 2 minutes each time for super sparkling teeth.
We will. Thanks for letting us ride along, Brushy. Bye-bye.